I can't find it.
What's your favorite beer?
Red Oak.
I bet Beer Garden has something. Have you been to Beer Garden before?
No, where is that?
It's like literally like right up the street from here.
What street is it on?
Let me see. 600 feet away. It's on South Tryon Street. So if you left out from here and took a left on the street and then made a right, it's right down that way. Are you walking?
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I can help you whenever you want to go. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure. Let me see. You said Red Oak.
Yeah.
Make sure we don't have it. I didn't see it up there.
Oh, pickles. I love pickles.
Yeah. It's like a little thing on the top. You gotta pull it out first. Yep.
It is piping hot.
Fresh off the stove.
Huh?
Fresh off the stove. Pull it the other way. Other way. It's like a little knot. Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
They're on tap. Let me see if I can see the beer option.
Okay.
Yeah, wait. Yeah, they say they do have it.
Oh, yes.
You said Red Oak, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they have it.
Yeah, I'm gonna go there next.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, you gotta get you, and, you know.
Huh?
Yeah, I don't see that on our menu, so. Or they might, I wonder if they have it next door.
Where?
You have, there's another bar next door, 2 more. But I have to see if they're open, though. I don't know if they're open yet. But I'll find out for you, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, the Beer Garden, they have all sorts of beers. Like, their first floor is local, second is international, and they also have a rooftop, too.
Oh, wow.
All right, I'll come back and check on you a little bit, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Alrighty.
Wow, the vibe changed quick.
Back up like this. I saw him right by him.
Hey, guys.
should come back to yourself.
Oh, I love that song.
I'm so obsessed with your ex. I know she got to sleep on your side. Find me right over ex. I know she's gonna sleep on my side of your bed.
She's got those numbers to pay for the She's talented, she's got kids, she even speaks good.
Always carry me on. I couldn't get kicked from the money, no, never
Ego always doing the most. I look to Shania close. Drama always follows me home, but I won't be waiting no more. Open your eyes, keep your friends, take a big ride. Take you on, you go high. It's always my fault, you're shocking. Just like a dog, and I think you should take a second to look at reflection, baby.
Okay?
Yes.
So you need anything?
No, thank you.
All right. I'll check for you later.
Uh-huh.
It's always my fault, and you're shocking. Just like a time bomb, and I think you should take a second to look at your reflection, baby. Maybe you're the problem. Okay, you see a pattern. You should take a look at it and just hold your mind. Maybe you're the problem.
She just said, I said, but I have to see how to do that. I guess she's putting stuff in the car. I guess. But she said she's coming back.
Like, cool, gotta come back first. Where did that come from? You're like,
There's a lot more like really
There's the train.
never got that far.
She's cute and she's classy, thick, bold and sassy. She knows what she doing, she knows. I know it's hard to imagine why you keep asking. What if came out of the blue? But I've been like this, I've been like this. I'm your love, but I'm not like this. Say that, 'cause I've been like that, but I've been like this. I've been like this, I've been like this. Take it off, so I won't just say nothing. Say that you do it like this.
Shake a little, make it jiggle, make it jiggle. The gang in the middle, I'm making it whistle.
Yeah, you?
Yep.
Yeah, you're always good.
Try.
You're always good. I see that in you and I just met you.
Oh, for real. Let me get you some more water. A bug full of yours.
Thank you. There's the train. Ah, this place is so cool with the train.
Running from your flashing lights. Can't take my soul without light. She just wants to play. I know what she thinks. Even if it's all about to do. Put it in the face, pay something to keep going. She thinks inside. So she knows it. Taking on her knees to be popular. Back to the dreams to be popular. Getting what they want to be popular. Selling her soul to be popular.
There you go.
When? Oh, thank you. What?
Be free. Needs to be popular. Back to the dreams to be popular. Kill anyone to be popular. Selling your soul to be popular. Just to be popular. Everybody's free cause she popular. She mainstream cause she popular. Let her be free cause she popular. Common love isn't for us. We created something phenomenal. Don't you agree? Don't you agree? You got me feeling diamond rich. Nothing else kind of compares to it. Don't you agree?
when I got you next to me.
They had Red Oak and they don't. So Beer Garden will be your next move for sure.
Okay, thank you. You're so sweet.
You say something?
Yeah, I say you're so sweet.
Oh, I try to be.
What do you mean you're tired of me?
I try to be sweet. It's just naturally how I am, you know.
Yeah, you can tell. I can tell.
Yeah.
That's what I see in you. It might be what I see in you. You're just so sweet.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that. Do you need anything else right now?
Party to check. I'm full.
Okay, let me go grab my device, okay?
Okay. Oh.
Total is $31.39.
Okay.
You paying cash or card?
Let's see. I can do cash.
Okay. Whatever's best for you.
Alright. Yeah, here we go.
Alright, so you're giving me 40. So
Yeah.
I'll be right back with your change, okay?
Alright.
Okay.
I want you to keep 25% of it.
I'm sorry, what?
I want you to keep 25% for your tip.
25%.
Yeah.
I gotta do the math on that.
Huh?
I said I gotta do the math on that.
Oh.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go
Okay.
do the math.
I want to give you a big tip because, you know.
You're so sweet.
You are too. I had some idiot at I was on our market yesterday. Some idiot was like, "Well, wait for your dad," because basically she didn't think I could pay.
Oh wow.
And like I didn't tip her nothing. It's like, nah,
rude, right?
fuck that shit.
No.
I'm like, I could pay. And I'm like, nah, it wasn't she was rude. Like she was nice, but she was ignorant.
Yeah, yeah.
And I was like, if she would have started that again, I'm like, alright, either I pay now or I eat for free.
I know that's right. Put your foot down.
Yeah.
I like
But
that.
see, like you're even gonna take me next to the beer garden and stuff. And
Yes.
stuff. Like I can't tip you average.
Oh, you're so sweet. I'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
All right.
What's 25% of 40?
5% times 40 is 2.
What is 20% of $31.39?
20% times $31.39 is approximately $6.28.
What is 25% of $31?
25% times $31 is $7.75.
You gave me a 40. You gave me $40 and your total was
31, 30, it would be 775 or something like that.
well, $8.61 is your change.
Okay.
So I would give you back $9. 5, 6, 7.
You ain't gonna keep nothing?
It's whatever you want to give me.
We're gonna give you 25%. We're gonna give you
25% of what? The 31? All right,
yeah.
let me see what the math is on that.
It's
31.
775. I looked it up already.
Oh, you did? Okay, so I'll just keep 7 and give you back 2.
Oh, you're so sweet.
You're sweet. Thank you for that.
Of course.
All right, you ready in a little bit?
Yeah, you can't done I don't like when people I don't like when servers go above and beyond and people just tip average. Like, no.
Yeah, I don't mind. I don't mind.
I know you don't, because basically, like, what are you gonna say or do?
Yeah. You about ready to go?
Yeah. I don't have. Since I pay cash, I don't have to sign nothing.
You don't. That's
Awesome.
All right, so let me just go let my people know I'm at the walk you, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. But like that sector, it's like top, but it's like Yeah, but